everyone, it's Greg, American in Thailand. On March the 30th, it's a Sunday. Well, we've had a little bit of unsettling news here around the property, primarily the wall right behind me here. This part of our metal fencing has come dislodged. The wall did settle after a couple of years, and we did have to repatch that a few times. And of course, the wear and tear over 3 years made the metalwork come dislodged. And we did have the gentleman that originally installed this ironwork come out and take it down for us. He'll be back soon, probably in the next couple days, to reattach this. But my brother-in-law and my wife were head of the concrete division, and they got that all patched up. And of course, I was in charge of painting, and I got it all painted up and ready to go. So we're gonna see the end of this repair work and get that started. So take a look at the gate repair on our wall. See you soon. Thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye. All right, it is now Friday, April the 4th. A few days ago, they were here to reinstall the metalwork. They took off the existing clips, reinstalled them into different areas, and then we raised up the metal framework to set into the space. And then you could really get a great idea of just how much the wall did move. And there was no way this was gonna work. So what we decided on is they're gonna take this gate back to their shop, and they're going to try to add some small pieces and extend the frame out a bit so it's going to fit a little bit more snugly into this space. They're going to be back here in about an hour or so and to reinstall this, and we'll see how it looks. Hopefully all is good. I'm sure it will be. They do pretty good work. So we're going to wrap up the gate repair today on the 4th. Take a look. Thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye.